Hi, welcome to the Trenton Free Public Library. This is our art adult programming. This is Jayana, she's my assistant, and my name is Damaris Art, and we will show you how to tie-dye a tote bag. First of all, you need your tote bag. Then, you need to soak your tote bag in some water, and then wring it out. Then, you're going to put your tote bag extended on the table. Then you're going to grab 5 elastic bands. And you will be provided with all these materials. So you're going to grab your tote bag, you're going to pinch it in the middle, and you're going to turn. Keep pinching, keep turning. It doesn't have to be pretty. Keep pinching and turning. And then with the straps, go around. Good job, Jayana.
Thank you.
Now that you kind of have this flat surface, you're going to grab your rubber bands. Start with one. Then let's put one more. Then another. It should start kind of looking like this. Keep on going. And this, what it should look like. So now that this is prepared, we're going to grab them. We're going to grab the color we want. What color would you start with?
Pink.
I'll start with gloves. And you will also be provided with the gloves. Make sure everything is how you want it. Kind of pat it down, kind of mold it a little. All right, we're gonna open our tie-dye kits. You will also be provided with this. You will have 2 colors. And then just go to town. I'm going to put yellow in one of my spaces. You're just going to keep on adding.
Try to stick it in there.
Yeah, kind of put it in there. As you can see, I'm going yellow, no color, yellow, no color, yellow, no color.
And I was trying to do half and half, but this was like 75-25.
It's still going to look awesome. Okay, now I'm going to go in with the pink. Wherever there is no yellow, I'm going in with the pink. Oh, guys, you can kind of see the effect already. Looking beautiful. Oh, Gianna, I love yours.
Thank you.
Good job, thank you. So we're just gonna keep on putting the paint. And now we're going to flip our totes around because you don't want to miss the other side. So you're gonna turn it around. And I'm going to fix the rubber bands on mine just a tad. I'm gonna go in with the paint. So you're gonna keep turning it around to see what spots don't have any color. You could put color, or you could also leave it like that. But I like mine's a little wild. What about you, Miss Gianna?
I'm gonna be just a little spot so it could be like a part of the design.
Sounds good. Art is never wrong. It's always gonna look good. And it's fun.
Like some spots turning orange.
Mm-hmm. You see the ombre effect already? Look how pretty it's looking, and we haven't even sat it down for a couple of hours and then washed it. So we're just gonna keep on adding. The more you add, the brighter it gets. It's just really the... We washed it, and we unrolled it, and we let it sit overnight. And then we let it dry. And now we're about to put our TFPL letters on it. You could do however you like. You could do it with markers. You could do it with paint. You could glue them on and then throw paint on top and then take them off. It's however you like. Art is never wrong. So let's get to it. I have my Sharpie markers. I like to do with Sharpie markers. Let's go with the pink for the T. So these are in your bag. They're already cut out by my assistant Gianna. So what you're gonna do is just trace over them. Nice and gentle. If you want, you could move it. I'm going to be filling mines, but I will show you after. So let's keep on going. Turn. Free. You don't have to put your letters just how I put mine. You could put them a different style. You could put them randomly. So you're just going to keep tracing. And if you have problems with holding it down, just put some tape on it. Keep going. We're almost there. You could always freehand. You don't have to do the same as I am. Let's go for P for public. Bright colors. Tracing. Art is never wrong. You want to make it fun. You want it to stand out. It's going to be yours. You're going to be using this to come and pick up your materials. You want it to represent your art. Alright. Okay, so I have TFPL representing Trenton Free Public Library. So I'm going to fill it in. I'm going to put colors in it. I'm going to draw little faces on it. It's up to you however you like. This is how I'm just going to leave it for now, but I will work on it, and when you guys come to pick up your tote, you'll be able to see my tote. Thank you again for joining us in Trenton Free Public Library Adult Art Club. This is Damaris, and thank you. Have a great day. Bye.